Hi fellow DIYers! Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this 3D Best Dad trophy that is made with cardstock. This beautiful creation is by Yeni. The Etsy link can be found in the description box below. It's a candy holder that can also be used as a container of small gifts. It's perfect for our best dads for the coming Father's Day. You can also change the texts for any occasions. It can be used as a party display or party favor. So let's get started! Open your Design Space app, click Upload Image, and then Browse, and then click this folder. And then from here, you'll see there are two written instructions, one in Spanish and one in English. So now click the Designs folder, and then click this SVG file, and then click Upload, and then click the file that we've just uploaded, and then click Add to Canvas. I'm just gonna zoom it out so we can see the whole file. And while the file is still selected, click on Group. We can now delete this note from the creator. Now these two files are the same. The only difference is that this one needs a scoring tool to make the folds, and this one, the machine will cut those small broken lines to make it easier to fold the pieces. You can use this one if you don't have scoring tool. Now for this one, as we can see, the lines are still solid. It means that the machine will follow the lines and cut them. So we need to change the operation from basic cut to score. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So select these, click on Group, and we can delete the notes. And then select these. And I'm just going to drag them and place them here. And then I'll select these and delete them. And I'm just going to zoom it in. Delete all the numbers. And I'm going to use the English one, so I'm going to delete this. Now select this long piece, and if you look on the Layers panel, you will see that all of these are highlighted. We will need just these 6 selected. So hold down the Command key and select these 6. And if you're a Windows user, hold down the Control key and select these 6. And then click this drop down, then click Score. And select this piece again and make sure that these are all highlighted. Then click Attach. I'm going to do this piece next. For this piece, we don't need to select these one by one. We can just click this, and then the layers will be all highlighted. And from then, we can change the operation to score. And then select these again and make sure that the pieces are all highlighted. Click Attach. And then repeat this step until we get all the lines changed to score. And for these 4 pieces, we can just do one and duplicate the other 3. So select these 2 and then change the operation to score, and then select them and then attach, and then click duplicate. And then we can just delete this and then select these 2 and then click duplicate, and then click flip, and then click flip horizontal. And we can now delete these. And I'm just sorting these pieces. And for these words, we need to attach them. And then click this number 1 and then click Ungroup. And then I'm going to hide these 2 first by clicking those eye icons. And then highlight these and then click Attach. And I'm going to unhide those 2 pieces that we just hid. And I noticed that the size of this piece is longer than the size of the cardstock that I'm planning to use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a template and use the size of the cardstock that I'm going to use. Skip this step if you're using 12 by 12 cardstock. So click Shapes, and then click the square one. And I'm just going to change the color to light gray. And since I'm going to use 8.5 by 11 inches size of cardstock, I'm going to make my template slightly smaller. So I'm going to click this lock icon first and change the size to 8 by 10.5. And then right click and then send to back. Just rearranging these pieces. And for this piece, I'm going to rotate it to 90 degrees. And I'm just going to put this here. And then select all these pieces. And then click Group. And then I will drag the pieces over the template and make them smaller. We can now delete the template. And we can now go ahead and click Make It. And then from here, I'm going to change the material size to 8.5 by 11 inches. And I'm just going to leave mat number 2 as it is because it's just a small piece. And then for mat number 3, I'm going to change the material size to 8.5 by 11 inches. And I'm going to move the words to a different mat. So I'm going to click this and then click those 3 lines. And then click Move Object. And then click New. And I'm just going to choose the white color. But I'm going to use gold vinyl. Click Confirm. And I'm going to do the same thing to Best Dad. Now I noticed that I can still fit in some pieces here. So I'm going to move the pieces from mat number 4 to mat number 3. Now click Continue. And since I'm going to use medium cardstock for the first 4 mats, I'm going to select medium cardstock. Now after we're done cutting the first 4 mats, I'm going to change the material setting to premium vinyl, and I always adjust the pressure to more. Now these are the cardstock that I'm going to use. I'm going to use Aleene's Tacky Glue for this project. And I'm just going to use this bottle of tacky glue to hold the two pieces down. Now, I've been wanting to try how this press and seal works as a transfer tape, so I'm going to give it a try in this project. We need to apply glue on the smaller tabs. I'm going to use this Windex to clean the surface of my foil cardstock and to remove the excess glue. I'm just going to use this bottle of tacky glue to hold down all the pieces. And there you have it! If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. All feedback is welcome and any feedback is good feedback. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my other tutorials. See you in the next episode of DIY by Sass. Thanks for watching!